I'm Marc Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software. I'm here with Zac Cooper, Director of Sales. Zac, you're out with customers every day. Your team's out with customers and prospects talking to them. What are the pains you're seeing in the manufacturing market right now?
Mark, that's a great question. And I think we could probably do an entire web series trying to understand the pains of the manufacturing sales process. But if I could summarize it with one line, I would say that the manufacturing sales process is extremely antiquated and has to involve multiple stakeholders throughout the step-by-step operation simply for getting a quote out the door. Now we see manufacturers of commodity, non-engineered products. The biggest pain for them is enabling sales to quote quickly and accurately. But when it comes to these engineered to order systems, the step-by-step process that sales, inside sales, engineers, as well as resellers have to follow in order to provide an excellent buying experience is extremely long, drawn out, and time consuming.
Great. Thank you. We'd love to continue this conversation. Reach out to us at www.atlatlsoftware.com.